How to cancel Super Duolingo subscription. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily cancel your Super Duolingo subscription. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Duolingo app. And once you are here, make sure that you are logged in. Then in order to check your subscription, just tap on this profile icon at the top bottom. And then once you get to your profile, tap on this settings icon to open up your settings. Now from here, you just have to scroll down and you will see the Super Duolingo option if you have the subscription. Then tap on Manage Subscription, and from there you can just tap on Cancel Subscription. After that, once you tap on it, you will have to choose a reason and then tap on Continue. Then from here you can tap on Proceed to Cancel. It will take you to your Manage Subscription where you have an option to cancel subscription. So just tap on it and it will automatically cancel your Super Duolingo subscription. So that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one.